Step 4. Add symbols wind, views, etc. with Dynamic Symbols plugin. To install the free Dynamic Symbols plugin, follow the same steps as when installing the Sun Diagram plugin. Search for Dynamic Symbols on the extension warehouse and install it. OK, done. Now we can see the toolbar of the Dynamic Symbols plugin. Use the first feature to generate the symbol. Click out on the symbol you want to use. Rotate and scale it to fit your diagram. You can check the wind direction for your project's location using SketchUp's pre-designed tool. At this location, there are two wind flows, a cool breeze from the sea and a hot wind from the land. Color the symbols using the third feature of Dynamic Symbols, or you can use SketchUp's default materials. Done, the static diagram is complete. Now we'll turn it into an animated video in the next step.